I Prevail.
And a 1, and a 2, and a 1, 2, 3.
We just created a metal song.
You can call it Lorna.
Oh, come on, man.
Oh, no, he didn't.
Okay.
Okay, we're doing I Prevail today.
Mm-hmm.
And why is there so many Prevail titles in these bands? Or is it just the two, Slaughter to Prevail and I Prevail?
Oh.
Or is it just one of the members that's no longer in Slaughter to Prevail? He's like, I Prevail.
No, because I think I Prevail is an older band than
Slaughter.
I think so.
Okay.
I haven't listened to them a lot. They come up in my feed once in a while. I think this one is a newer one of theirs, and that's I think I bookmarked it or had put it into save or watch later, just in case we needed something to watch.
Have you heard Violent Nature?
Yeah.
You have heard it?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you watched the music video?
No.
Okay, well, there's something new for you.
Yes.
Yeah, well,
And this one is short. It's almost like a punk song. It's only 2 minutes long. Well, just over.
The Love Life is what it should have been called.
Yeah.
Douche.
Motherfucker with a violent nature.
Can't pause it.
Yeah.
I understood almost everything this guy said.
Yeah. This is the metal where you can understand words.
That's weird. Like how with some screaming guys you can't understand a thing, or is it him or is it
I feel like I don't know. Yeah, could be just the way he does it.
or is it just me?
No. No, I think it's just him, the way he does it. Also, it kind of reminds me of Falling in Reverse.
Yeah.
The video kind of
just straight out and
yeah.
ba-boom.
Pretty good.
That's not bad. Yeah.
I hate to say it, it was kind of cool, you know.
I like that song. I like it.
I like that it was short and sweet.
Yeah, it was pretty good.
You're right, though. It had a bit of Falling in Reverse vibes to it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Totally. like the more recent stuff. I think maybe that's why I liked it, and it's probably why it's in my feed too. Sometimes I think in my playlist.
The video reminded me a little bit of Prometheus for some reason, like the the weird alien guy.
Mixed with like Terminator
Yeah,
or something.
and the Matrix.
The Matrix.
Aren't we just living in the Matrix?
We are just living in the Matrix. They keep proving it on social media constantly.
The Matrix is the internet.
Yes. We are the internet.
What?
Yeah, I like the song. I like the band. I've listened to a few of their songs. I never watched any of their videos, but
It's a good video.
yeah,
can't
I liked
believe
it. The
for
song
two,
wasn't
2 minute song. They put that much effort into it. It's awesome.
Yeah. When recently we've been listening to 7-minute videos. This is good. 2 to 3 minutes. That's perfect song length.
Yeah, especially for if you're not gonna have any melodic singing at all. Like, if it's just gonna be screaming, get it over with, man. Like,
Yeah.
I mean, that's my 2 cents. Why don't you give me your 2 cents? And then
How long
send us,
How long should the songs be? What is your ideal song length? Yeah. So,
yeah,
like, comment, subscribe,
send
ding
us-
the bell.
Send it to your mother-in-law.
Yep. She would love it.